If you're getting an Asio output channels not available error in FL Studio, or if no sound is playing when you press play, here's a simple fix to try. First, disconnect any external audio device like a Focusrite USB interface from your computer. Just unplug it, wait a couple of seconds, and then plug it back in. Once it's reconnected, open FL Studio. In FL Studio, go to the Options menu at the top and select Audio Settings. This will open a window with input and output options. If you're using a Focusrite USB device, you'll likely see it listed as your current audio device. If you see a disable icon or error message, try changing the audio device. To do this, click on the Input-Output device drop-down and select another audio device. After that, switch it back to your Focusrite USB audio or your preferred audio device. This process will often reset the audio connection and allow FL Studio to access the output channels properly. After doing this, try playing back audio again. This should fix your issue. Thank you for watching.